Nice little bit of rain today, which is good. Must have been brought on by the fact that I bought a water tank and pump. So I'm hiding from the rain.